So today I'm going to show you what we can grow in June. And yes, I will mention my alderman peas because they're wonderful and they're really good. So let me show you what we can sow in June. Good. So today I'm going to tell you what we can sow in June. The frosts have all gone now, and here in the south of the UK it's been very warm. We've had quite a few days of sun, but yesterday we did have some rain, but the rain didn't really do that much. So today I'm going to show you what we can sow in June, and everything we're going to show you today can be sown directly into the ground. So we can do courgettes. This is the one I'm growing this year, which is all green bush. It's doing quite well. Some courgettes already on the plant, and kohlrabi can be drained direct into the ground. This is the one that we're doing, purple and white Vienna mix. Also pumpkins and squashes, they can be done in the ground. This is the one we've got this year, is jack-o'-lantern. We've got 4 plants. We did manage to kill some off, but we've got some pumpkins going. Also direct in the ground can be Swedes and turnips. We've got Swede and turnips, and if you saw my video, I haven't decided which is which yet, so we're still looking into that. Also runner beans, dwarf beans, French beans, they can all be done, and even planting a second line for a second crop later on is a good idea. Also sweet corn. Sweet corn can be directly sown, and this year we're doing golden bantam, so it'd be interesting to see. I'm not sure I actually put my sweet corn in a good place because the light is a bit dodgy, the sunshine's a bit dodgy, so we shall see. Also kale. This is Nero de Toscia. This is the first time we're doing the kale. And this is ours. Looking good so far. Also broccoli. Broccolis can be sown indoors. We've got autumn calabrese, which is the one with the big heads, and also purple sprouting broccoli can be sown direct into the ground. We've done ours in trays, as we're still awaiting the ground where this will eventually go into, and that's doing okay. We've had to bring it out the tunnel because it's so hot. Also marrows can be sown directly into the ground. We've never done marrows before. We're not a great fan of marrows. But this is long green bush, productive in a limited space. So I might just stick some in the ground and see what happens with these. And also peas. Peas can be sown directly into the ground, and as you've seen many times, if you've watched my past videos, if not, why not? Have a look at my June tour and you can see my peas. Well, I'll show you, I'll add them on. And these are Allotment peas, and I can't praise these enough. These grow up to 5 foot, bumper crop, really tasty peas, widely grown by exhibitors because of the quality of its pods. My peas are amazing. I put some in the polytunnel and I've got some out here. Well, I'll show you, have a look. So also, what can be done is a lot of the favourites. So we can still do some beetroots, still do carrots, and still do lettuces. This can still be done, and also radishes for a quick crop, and also cucumbers. We've done 2 lots of cucumbers, so we've done Emily and Marketmore. I think we've done lots of 3, we've done Socrates as well, and I shall show you how we go about pruning the cucumbers in another video. So that's all that we can sow for June in the ground. I'll show you some more what we've got going. Let's go. So this is our courgette. This is the all green bush, and as you can see, we've already got courgette and plenty of flowers. Well, this is the best pumpkin, and it's growing, well, it's growing every day. So we're going to train it down, and we've got another one down there we're going to train up. See if that works. So this is the marrow that we're growing, long green bush, productive in a limited space. So we've just literally got this small bed that I've just de-weeded, and I'm just literally going to put 3 seeds in one space, and then just here 3 seeds, trying to do them on their side, so we can hopefully get one of these to germinate. So we've got to mark these where they are and cover them up. So let's do that. So I'm just making a ridge so I know exactly where they're going to come out from, and we'll just give them a quick water. So that's the marrows. Green bush 4 done. Sorted. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, not subscribed, and ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers.